Our next speaker is a bona fide veteran within communications marketing as well as stakeholder management. She's also an expert in developing and implementing sustainable strategies. In her current role as an executive member, she is responsible for leading branding, marketing, stakeholder and government relations, social impact, and internal and external communications. Delivering our vote of thanks, please welcome Sasol Head of Community Affairs, Dr. Thuli Mbuli.
Dumelang. Honorable Deputy Minister, MECs in the province, District Mayor, Speaker, our local speaker in MLL, all protocol observed. Today, I feel incredibly honored and privileged to have been allowed to extend a vote of thanks for the 21st edition of Sasol TechnoX 2023. This milestone signifies Sasol's commitment to fostering innovation, inspiring young minds, and shaping the future. This indeed is a significant week in our yearly calendars as Sasol, as we have not hosted an in-person Sasol TechnoX before the COVID-19 pandemic. So this is really an honor for us to be here physically. On behalf of Sasol, I would like to propose a vote of thanks to all our exhibitors across the streams of education, from science, technology, engineering, arts, mathematics, and innovation. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all our learners, our VVIP, and to all the teachers for being here today. Some of our stakeholders have traveled long distances to get here. I'm sure that once you arrived, you realized that it was worth the effort. Still, an exhibition without participants is no exhibition. I thank everyone for attending and being part of this amazing week-long exhibition. An event of this dimension and magnitude cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling months before. As Sasol, we've been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated employees and volunteers. I cannot thank everyone enough for the involvement that they have shown and the willingness they have expressed to take the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zone. This event will also not be possible without our local government. So thank you to our local subs, our local traffic, and everyone who has played a role. We would also like to thank our local suppliers who heeded the call when we said we want our local businesses to be part of this magnitude event, because it starts at home and it starts here in Sasolburg. Last but not least, I would like to grab the opportunity and thank the Sasol leadership for being dedicated to contributing to the development of young minds who are smarter, entrepreneurial, innovative, and productive. I hope as Sasol, we continue to organize such events in the future for the betterment and upliftment of our youth, because our role in society is stewardship. We are about being a catalyst for social change and making a positive impact. As Sasol, we are intentional about being a good corporate citizen and having a positive impact to the youth, especially around our operational areas. For us, keeping the youth occupied with meaningful activities will indeed have a positive outcome for us as a nation, and as the youth is our future. Siyabonga, riyalebucha, Baya Danki, let's have fun this week. I hope you take a lot of the things that you're going to be seeing from all of our exhibitors out as you go out. And once again, when 2023 ends, hopefully MEC, Free State, and Fezile Dabi will still be #1 in the country. Ola 7.